Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy. Mm-hmm. Back at it again with another video. So we're doing pizza Hut today. We got 3-topping pizza, sausage, pepperoni, and bacon. And I'm trying out the new stuffed Cheez pizza. Let's see. It looks like this. Pretty coy. Comes with sauce. That jazz. I'm gonna try it with some Doritos. Flaming hot nachos. Alright. Let me go get some mayo ranch. And we're back. So I went to go get me some ranch. You know, some ranch. I'm gonna try and eat it with some tapatio, because tapatio is bam. Alright. Thank you, Jesus, for the food. Bless for amen. So, I got, what is this? Totally Parmesan crust. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's try it with some hot sauce. Not bad at all. For drinks, I got double gulp Diet Dr. Pepper. Yo, I can't with these paper straws.
You too.
I'll put them on. I'll get these chips in. Oh yeah. Good. Yum. I'm hungry. We haven't eaten since this morning. Can I be? Oh, did you drink some of yours? Okay, sorry. Mm. Mm. Right. Let's try this one out. So they're basically look like Cheez-Its, but just like big. Try it without the sauce. Mmm. Not bad. No, with the sauce. It's sort of like a mozzarella stick without the crunch.
Có cái kia đấy ngon nhỉ.
So, order pizza.
Ôi sao?
Diet Coke.
Mmm.
Cái còn ngon.
Hold on. Have them. Let me call him. Call my boy Law Dog. Come get some pizza. Mmm. It's so bomb. You know they charge $2 extra for pan style pizza. It's ridiculous.
What's his number?
Hmm?
380.
6211. Now y'all got two people's numbers. Oh, so bomb. So, remember how my car got jacked? So apparently, my dad's car jack got jacked too.
Lawrence, I text you. Hello, I text you. Oh, are you still up? You want a pizza? Okay, come.
Oh.
Who's got pizza?
All right. Here she goes.
What did you and Dad eat? Just leftovers? What's your,
There he is.
where's your mom?
She went to go drop off ammo.
Oh, she didn't come back with Wilma?
Move,
Want to?
move Auntie's purse and come on in this video, sir. All right. We got the nephew law dog in the video. Woo.
Follow and Jahin sleeping over someone's house.
Oh, holding on to fossils?
No.
Oh, who's that? Yeah?
I found one here.
Oh, it's cool.
You good?
Yeah. This from the car?
I don't know what. Here. Tell me what you
Is this
think.
from the car? What is this?
Those are stuffed Cheez-Its. Honest review. Actually, Lawrence eats anything.
It's weird. But it tastes good.
Doesn't it taste like a soft mozzarella stick?
But instead of the outside being
Crunchy.
like crunchy, you taste cheese, cheddar.
Okay. Oh. So I was watching YouTube today, and there's a girl that beat Matt Stoney's peanut butter jelly challenge. She did 9.
9?
Whoa.
In a minute?
In a minute.
That's like one every, what?
1 every 10 seconds. Almost. Every 6 seconds.
Every 6 seconds?
Mm-hmm.
The thing about peanut butter and jelly sandwiches is just the thickness of
The peanut butter. It all depends. But because she had like 5 cups of water, and she was like, and just wetting. She was just wetting the bread and swallowing it. Like, dang.
I hate these things.
Mm-hmm.
It's weird.
what?
Through a paper straw.
So our 7-Eleven has these. Oh Lord. Oh no. They only offer paper straws, and mine is already soft and bent. Oh. This is not cool.
That's why you use the Slurpee straws.
They're like that now too.
No?
No.
Plastic.
How are they gonna get the spoon?
I looked.
The
There's
Slurpee straws is plastic.
trust. They're all paper now.
No, I gave one to Wilma. It was plastic.
When?
Last week.
Well, today they're not. They're all paper now.
She said I grabbed the wrong straw, but I said I did on purpose.
Yeah. You're trying to save the turtles? Why? Who's at the beach with straws anyways? Those people in Mexico they're on
Wait, are you in the front or are you in your
vacation.
In my room.
You're playing?
There's like no Wi-Fi back there too.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look.
Yikes.
Oh
That was
yeah.
on White Sunday.
Don't do it. She's taking a picture. Oh, I'll send you the picture of your promotion.
Which one?
Remember the pictures I took of you?
I'll send a picture of you. I haven't seen
Good Lord, he downloaded some games.
Just the games I naturally play.
So Lawrence has a phone now. It's my old phone. And I deleted all the games on there. I had 3 games. He downloaded like 6 games, and one of them happens to be Call of Duty.
Here, I'll send a few for you.
I'm surprised you have Fortnite on there. Fortnite.
I probably will, just to get the skin, probably.
So I was gonna buy the mystery Oreo that I got Jack for. Put it in here. Nah,
Did you buy the Frosted Flakes?
no, didn't have it. Didn't have the size.
Are you full? Are you full? Dada?
I'm on the verge.
Get that to Sarah if he's still around.
What's Sai doing? Ask him if he wants his pizza. Last pizza.
Sorry, we only got a medium.
This is a large.
That's a large?
Uh-huh.
It's a little small.
You hear that pizza? Your large is small. Small pizza.
Well, because
Yeah.
we usually get Costco, and Costco is
Yeah. So the pizza I got, the promo said $7.99, and then as soon as they changed the location, boom, $9.99. Boo, you suck. Who that?
Sorry.
Okay, you got friends. He got a phone now. It's funny. Jimmy was like, I called you. You can't say nothing. So like, I'm right here next to you. Why would I talk to you on the phone? Like, oh boy, don't make me take that phone away. Like, and it'll just be like nothing happened because he didn't need it before. He doesn't need it now. Maybe you should try deep frying it in hot Cheetos. Or how about we do like a deep fried pizza in hot Cheetos? Yum. So, on the last one, but I think I'll finish it off camera. I think I'm gonna call it done data right now, okay? Thank you guys for tuning in and watching us eat again on another live mukbang at the table. Mukbang at the table. Alright? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell your friends, tell your mom, your dad, and everybody else. Okay? Help me hit my 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Yeah. Oh. My birthday's coming up. So you guys can send me some stuff. I should start a P.O. box. No, I'll wait till I hit the 1,000. Hey, Panini, don't you be a meanie. What do you say? What app do you use to message? What app are you using to message?
The PlayStation Network app.
Corny.
Because I don't have his number.
These chips are sneaking up on me. Oh, so I've been watching, people are still doing the one chip challenge. Oh, never.
What? That's easy.
Yeah, right.
You guys should do the hot noodle challenge. You have it at Burger.
You know who I am.
The what?
Like the 2 times spicy noodle
Oh, I can't even do that.
for everyone.
Do you know who I am, Diamond?
I can't even do the one time spicy. I can barely do spicy. I love good though. Oh. So if you guys go back and watch my Samoan style seafood boil, so that sauce, huh? No.
Still there?
Did you say anything?
No, yeah.
So if you guys see that sauce that I eat my food,
No,
it's really good with the noodles. Oh my god,
Throw that box away.
so bomb.
You don't want it, guys.
I think I'm gonna do a noodle challenge with that. You know, like I'm gonna top ramen noodles. You know, maybe bowl noodles. But yeah. I'll catch you guys, okay? Peace. And we out.